Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. In today's video guys, we're going to explain a common problem if you have a convertible car. If you have a convertible, any BMW, Mercedes, Porsche, whatever it is, eventually you might start hearing some wind noise. And the first thing to check, okay, usually is if the top seals really good right here. You might have a gap, so that will need to be adjusted. Now, this is not the most common reason for that. The most common reason is the side windows, guys. If the car is used, older car, most likely it's seen a window regulator replacements or a window removal for, let's say, if you need to replace a door lock actuator. Okay, you will need to remove the window on most cars to get to it, and as a result the convertible cars do not have frame on the window on top, and the window is actually the frame and it lays right here. Now, if it's not adjusted correctly, you will have a gap, like ours. Okay, check it out. Like right here, okay, how big of a gap it is, and it's supposed to be all the way to the black line. So we're about 4 or 5 millimeters in forward, and we need to come back. As a result, okay, you can see, you can actually look inside the car. And when you start driving down the road, you hear that wind noise, that road noise coming through the windows. Also, that gap could be from the top of the window as well. Our top is good, but what we need to do, we need to get our window loose and just move it towards the back about 4 millimeters and see if that is going to fix our problem. So let's go ahead and show you how to do it on this one. This one will work for mostly any cars. They will have like a few different kinds of mechanisms, but the procedure is super simple. So let's start on it now. So in most cases you have to remove the door panel to get to the adjustment of the window. Okay, that's what you have to do first. Second, you have to bring the window down to a certain position so you can reach the adjustment, and we'll show you in just a second. So we'll turn ignition on and let's bring the window down. Okay, a little bit more up, a little bit up, more up. Okay, right there. This is one of the bolts. This is the second bolt. Okay, right here. You can see this is the second bolt that we'll need to adjust. So on this car now, actually to get the bolts loose, you go the opposite way. You go clockwise. They're reverse threaded bolts on both sides. Okay, so we are ready to. We just need to loosen it a little bit on each side. Okay, this side is good. Now on this side. Okay, perfect. Now we need to grab the window and you can kind of see like where it's supposed to be. So we need to scoot it back a little bit. Okay, perfect. Just like that. Okay, that's it. You can see. And now we need to get both sides tight, front and left as well. Okay, just the rear is left now. Get this one tight and we're going to see if the window closes as it should. And you can usually test that without installing the door panel in most cases. So let's make sure it goes up and down. So, okay, let's close the door all the way. And you can see it's a little bit better, but we still need to adjust it. And how we do that now? We need to bring this side down actually a little bit, and we'll show you how we are going to do that. You can move it actually up and down as well, not just left and right. Okay, so we'll get the front loose, just 1-2 revolutions, not to be holding the window. We'll remove the bolt on the back so we can adjust the window going up and down. We'll show you how we're going to do that in a second. Okay, this is the bolt now. Okay, we pulled it out like that. And by having that hex key right there, if you get a hex key that size, if you turn left or right, it's going to go up or down. So that's how you adjust the angle for going up and down. So we adjusted ours. We're going to install the bolts. This bolt, get it tight, get the front tight, and we'll see what it looks like after that. So let's give it a try now. We close it. Okay, check it out now, how much better that thing is. Okay, it looks great. Closes really good on top as well, and that way you can make sure you're not going to hear wind noise from that window. When we open it, it doesn't catch the top anywhere, because if it's too much up, it can catch the top. So thank you for watching, please subscribe guys, and many more videos to come to the channel.